Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and ready to learn something useful today. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the most important English grammar rules you must remember. These rules will help you speak more confidently, write more clearly, and understand English in a better way. Many learners struggle because they don't know which rules are truly essential and which rules they can learn later. So, in this video, I will keep everything simple, clear, and easy to follow. You don't need to memorize everything at once. Just stay with me till the end, understand each point, and you will improve quickly. This video is perfect for beginners and also helpful for anyone who wants to refresh their grammar basics. We will cover sentence structure, tenses, articles, subject verb agreement, and more. These are the rules that will improve your speaking, your writing, and your overall English communication. So let's begin our lesson and make your grammar stronger step by step. Our first rule is subject verb agreement. This means the subject and the verb must match in number. If your subject is singular, your verb must also be singular. If your subject is plural, your verb must be plural. For example, he plays, they play. Many learners forget this rule when speaking fast. You simply need to remember that the verb changes when the subject is singular. Another example, the girl runs, the boys run. This rule may look small, but it changes the entire meaning of a sentence. If you use it incorrectly, the sentence sounds unnatural. So always check, who is doing the action? Is it one person or more? Once you master this, your English will sound much more natural and correct. The second rule is using the correct tense. Tenses show the time of an action. If something happened in the past, use past tense. If something is happening now, use present tense. If something will happen later, use future tense. Many learners mix tenses and it creates confusion. For example, yesterday I go to school is wrong. Yesterday I went to school is correct. Another example, I will meet you tomorrow is correct for future time. Using the correct tense helps the listener understand the time clearly. Always look at the time words in the sentence. Words like yesterday, now, today, tomorrow, last week, next month. These words guide you to the correct tense. Remembering this rule alone can improve your grammar a lot. The third rule is using articles correctly. A and an are used for general, non-specific things. The is used for a specific thing. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Use in before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, a book, a teacher, a cat, and an apple, an umbrella, an idea. Use the when you talk about something specific. For example, the sun, the moon, the girl we saw yesterday. If you are speaking generally, do not use the up, for example. Cats are cute means all cats, but the cat is cute means one specific cat. Articles are small words, but they change meaning completely, so make sure to practice them often. The fourth rule is understanding sentence structure. Every complete sentence needs at least two things, a subject and a verb. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. The verb is the action or state. For example, she writes. This is a complete sentence, but only saying writes is not complete. Many learners forget the subject when they translate from their own language. Always check if your sentence has both parts. Here's another example. The boy is sleeping. The boy is the subject. Is sleeping is the verb. When your sentences are complete, your English becomes strong and clear. This rule helps you avoid broken or half sentences. The fifth rule is understanding adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs. For example, she is a smart girl. Smart describes the noun girl. Another example, he runs quickly. Quickly describes the verb runs. Many learners mix these two words because they look similar. Remember this, adjectives talk about things. Adverbs talk about actions. Correct usage makes your sentences more detailed. If you say he speaks soft, it is wrong. The correct sentence is he speaks softly. If you say she is beautifully, it is wrong. The correct sentence is she is beautiful. This rule will help you express your ideas more clearly. Thank you for watching this video. These grammar rules may look simple, but they are the foundation of good English. If you practice them daily, even for a few minutes, your confidence will grow. Try to use these rules when speaking, writing, and thinking in English. Learning a language takes patience and consistency, but every small step makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more useful lessons for you. Stay consistent, keep learning, and keep improving. I will see you in the next lesson. Take care.